Hey guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today, in honor of the launch of the new Glamnetic magnetic half lashes, I'm going to show you guys a cute little natural makeup tutorial that's perfect for the half lashes. Okay, you guys, so my biggest tip for any kind of makeup look is to take the little plastic protectant on a brand new eyeshadow palette or an eyeshadow palette that you have and use this as your guide for flicking out your eyeshadow to make a natural kind of winged, lifted type look. The first things first, I'm going to take a camel brown color and use my guide of the eyeshadow palette plastic to make a winged out shape on my outer corner, and then just drag the shadow along your crease as well. So when you remove this plastic, you have that perfect winged out edge. And what I do is I'll just take the excess on my brush and just lightly buff out that line and bring a little down to the lower lash line. So you could definitely stop here, call it a day, but I'm gonna take it a little bit farther with the dimension and add a deeper brown color and do the same thing, slightly more concentrated on the outer corner. When you use this method, you're like giving yourself a faux facelift because the effect of this winged out look makes your face look very lifted on the corners. So it's like as if you were pulling your face back, but you're giving yourself that effect with that sharp edge right there. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of a deep brown shade and bring that down to the lower lash line and really buff it out. Now I'm going to take a cream shimmer eyeshadow and just place that right in the center of my lid, down into the inner corner, creating this sort of halo effect around the center. So now I'm going to take the Glamnetic felt tip magnetic liner and just draw a very thin line along my lash line where you would normally put eyeliner. All right, so now I'm going to pop on the brand new Glamnetic half lashes. I am so excited about these because it's just going to make my natural looks look 10 times more seamless. So today I'm taking the style Queen. So I'm just going to take this half lash and pop it right on. Just like that. The coolest thing about these half lashes is that they have 6 magnets on one half lash. So you're really getting a lot of hold on there. To finish off this natural glam, I'm going to take lipstick in a really pretty like fall-y winter nude color. And there you go, guys. A simple, everyday, natural glam that is perfect for all day long wear, whether that be for your Zoom meetings, meetings in general, meeting a friend for a coffee, or going out at night if you just prefer natural glam anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below to become part of the Glam fam, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!